Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Authentic right here. Congratulations to all pioneers. So, as we all know, Picoin is going to be listed on the 20th of February 2025. So, congratulations to all Pi holders. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how you can be able to deposit your Pi to bitget exchange or get the Rio exchange. Okay, so for those of you guys that participated in Pi, or for those that their Pi has been unlocked, I'm going to show you guys how to deposit it from your Pi browser to the bitget exchange upon the listing on the 20th. Okay, so firstly, you head straight to your bitget exchange quickly, then we proceed to get the Pi wallet address. From there we'll move on. Okay, so wait for your bitget to set up. After that, you come to asset right here. Once you're an asset right here, you click on this particular button where they wrote sports. Let's just do this. Let's just be under sports. Once you're under sports, you click on add funds right here. Then you click on this place that they wrote I have crypto assets, deposit crypto. Wait for them to come up. Okay, so once this particular button is active, you come to this search bar, you type pi, pi, then you can see Pi network. You tap on it, wait for the address to come up. So this is it. This is the address right here. This is the Pi address. The network is Pi. Then deposit to spot straight up. So nothing like memo or tag right here. Okay, so we just have to copy the address right here, or you can be able to scan the QR code. You guys can see Pi logo right here. You can be able to scan the QR code to submit and receive your Pi, but let's just head straight with the address section. Okay, we'll copy the address, then we head straight to our Pi browser. Alright, so let's do this. Let's head straight to our Pi browser. I believe you all know what Pi browser is. So everybody that participating in Pi know that we have the Pi app and the Pi browser app. That is where we get the migrated tokens. So you wait for it to come up. Okay, so once you're in your Pi browser, you just have to go straight to this wallet session right here. Click on wallet right here. Then you unlock your wallet either with the secret phrase or passphrase, anyone, or you unlock with your fingerprint. You know what your security system is. So for me, I'll be unlocking with my fingerprint. So I just have to make use of my fingerprint and unlock my Pi browser wallet. So let's wait for it to come up. Alright, so this is my interface. This is my dashboard. So sorry guys, you have to make sure that you are under Pi mainnet right here, and you will see the amount of Pi that you have. So this is what I have, and this particular Pi is locked till next year, right? So I don't really have nothing for me in this listing. So the available balance is 0. Okay, so for those of you guys that their own has been migrated but it's not showing right here, all you have to do is just to click on this migration. You tap on migration, then you will see where they will tell you to bring to wallets. You click on it, then you will see your Pi right here. Okay, so that is just that. Now let's go back. Sorry guys, I need to reaccess my wallet, then we'll proceed. Okay, so this is how to submit your Pi to the bitget exchange. Once you are in your dashboard like this, you just have to click on this pay or request. You click on pay /request, then you come to this section where they write manually add wallet address. You click on manually add wallet address. All you have to do is just type the amount of Pi that you want to send. So you click on this 000 button. Let's assume you have 1000 Pi that you want to send. Fee is just 0.01 Pi. So after you've put in the amount of Pi you want to send, you just have to paste the address you copied from bitget down here. Okay, so you just have to scroll up and click on this send button, and immediately you are going to receive your Pi in your bitget. Okay, it's as simple as that. Immediately you tap the button, you will receive it. So let me just assume I want to send, whereas I don't have anything. Then you can see you are about to send 1000 Pi. Do you recognize this pioneer? We notice this address isn't in your wallets. Please be sure you know and trust this individual before transferring any Pi, as transactions are non-refundable. Pi call team will never request Pi from you. Alright, so that is just that. All this thing is just to be very, very sure that you really know what you are doing and you really verify the address. So you click on confirm right here. Then you proceed. Beautiful. You guys can see what they say. Error. A sum of amount and transaction fee cannot be greater than Pi available balance close. So it simply means that I don't have this particular amount of Pi to send. But for you that have the amount of Pi, you just have to put the amount of Pi that I really want to send right here. Just put the amount right here and make sure you have that quantity, okay? After you've put in that, then you submit the address you copied from either get.io or bitget right here. Then you proceed with this send. You guys see the process, you confirm, and you receive your Pi in your bitget exchange. It's as simple as that, okay? So all I know for my advice right now, as we all know, Pi is the trending token right now. So a lot of people are confused on how to go about it, and a lot of people are asking me questions like what should they do, should they sell in black market price, because black market price is skyrocketing every seconds an hour, every now and then. Should they sell in black market price or wait for the listing? Well, all I will advise is, I think at the end of the day, anything financial is choice, right? When it comes to do with finances, is your choice. You just have to make sure that you really know what you want, okay? Just make sure you do what is in your mind, because nobody is going to be held responsible at the end of the day. But if I should advise, I would just say you can sell some amount of quantity of Pi that you have, right? You can sell few. If you have like, let's say 1,000 Pi, you can sell like 10% or 20% to black market, then keep the rest and wait for the listing day. All right, I'm not going to advise anybody to sell off everything, but if you still want to sell off everything, it's still your choice, right? Like I said, it's all choice, right? But if I should advise, I would just say sell some and keep some, then we'll watch and wait how it turns out to be on the listing day. Okay, so that is just all we have to do for Pi now. So till we wait and see how it happens, or how it turns out to be on the 20th. So, and as we all know, TapSwap is going to be listing today in bitget and get.io exchange as well, 1 p.m. Nigerian time. So stick around your clock, stick around your exchange as we watch and see what they have for us as well, okay? So that is just that in this video. Stay safe till I come your way next time. Keep winning and keep kinging. Bye for now and remain blessed. Enjoy the rest of your new week.